Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English conversation video.
Hi, everyone. We are happy to see you again today.
Today, we're going to talk about dinner conversations.
Yes, we will start from choosing what to eat for dinner.
We will use simple English. That is easy to understand.
You can listen carefully and repeat the sentences with us.
These conversations are useful for daily life.
You can use them at home with your family.
So, relax and enjoy learning English with us.
Let's start our first dinner conversation now.
Well, I am feeling really hungry now.
Yeah, I feel hungry too, and my stomach is already making noise.
I am thinking about what we should eat for dinner tonight.
Honestly, I have not decided yet. Do you feel like eating rice or pasta today? I think rice would be better for me tonight.
Okay, rice sounds like a good and simple idea.
Do we have any vegetables at home right now?
Yes, we have some fresh vegetables in the fridge.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Would you like to eat chicken with the rice?
Yes, I really like chicken for dinner.
Actually, chicken is my favorite too.
So we can cook rice, chicken, and vegetables together.
Yes, that sounds like a healthy dinner.
I like food that is not too heavy.
Same here, especially at night.
Okay, let's go with this plan.
I am happy we decided quickly.
Yes, dinner is finally decided.
Do you think we should eat dinner at home today?
Maybe.
But Alex, I am feeling a little tired.
I understand, because today was quite long.
Cooking may feel difficult for me tonight.
Yes, I feel the same way, honestly. What do you think about ordering food instead?
Well, that sounds like a good idea.
We could order something simple and fast.
Do you want pizza or burgers today?
I think pizza would be better for me.
Okay, I also feel like eating pizza.
Let's order from our usual restaurant.
Yes, their food is always good.
And they deliver very quickly.
I will open the app now.
Take your time and choose what you like.
All right, I'm placing the order.
Great, that was easy.
Dinner will arrive soon.
Yes, tonight will be relaxed.
Okay, let's cook something at home.
Sure, I am ready to help you.
Can you please wash the vegetables carefully?
Yes, I will wash them properly.
I will prepare the chicken meanwhile.
Okay, please be careful with the knife.
Don't worry, I am being careful.
What kind of dish are you making today?
I am making something very simple and easy.
That sounds perfect for today.
Can you turn on the stove for me?
Yes, I have turned it on.
Thank you for helping me.
The food is already starting to smell nice.
Really? That makes me happy.
I am getting hungry just by smelling it.
The food will be ready very soon.
I can wait a little longer.
Dinner is almost done now.
I am excited to eat.
Oh, I think the food has arrived at the door.
Really, that was quite fast today.
Yes, I was not expecting it so soon.
Let me check the door quickly.
Okay, I will clear the table meanwhile.
Yes, the delivery person is here.
Great. Please take the food from him.
All right, I am taking the food now.
Does everything look okay in the bag?
Yes, it looks fresh and well packed.
That's good to hear.
The food smells really nice already.
I am getting hungry just smelling it.
Let's bring the food to the table.
Okay, I will bring the plates.
Please be careful, the food is hot.
Yes, I can feel the heat.
Let's sit down and eat together now.
I am excited to try the food. Can you help me set the table for dinner?
Yes, of course, I can help you.
Put the spoons next to the plates. Like this or a little closer.
Yes, that looks just fine. Where should I put the glasses?
Please put them near the plates.
All right, I will do that.
Thank you for helping me.
Do we need napkins on the table?
Yes, napkins are important.
Okay, I will bring them.
The table looks nice now.
Yes, it looks clean and ready.
Let's call the kids for dinner.
Dinner is ready, everyone.
I am very hungry now.
Let's start eating.
This food tastes really good tonight.
Yes, it tastes very delicious.
Did you have a busy day today?
Yes, I was busy at work all day.
That sounds tiring, honestly.
It was tiring, but now I feel relaxed.
I stayed at home most of the day.
That sounds calm and peaceful.
Yes, it was a quiet day.
The chicken is very soft and tasty.
I am happy you like it.
You cooked the food very well.
Thank you, that means a lot.
I'm starting to feel full now,
Me too, actually.
but I still want one more bite.
The food is really enjoyable.
Yes, dinner is very nice today.
I enjoy eating together like this.
Me too, it feels good.
Are you finished with your dinner now?
Yes, I am completely full.
I really enjoyed the meal.
Yes, it was very good.
Let's clean the table together.
Okay, I will help you.
Please take the plates to the sink.
Sure, I will do that.
I will start washing the dishes.
I can dry them for you.
Thank you, that helps a lot.
Cleaning is easier when we do it together.
Yes, it feels faster too.
The kitchen already looks better.
Yes, it looks clean now.
We did a good job.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Now we can relax.
That sounds perfect.
What should we do about lunch tomorrow?
I was thinking about that too.
We still have some food left in the fridge.
Yes, there are leftovers from today.
We can eat that tomorrow. I'll also make something fresh.
Yes, you can cook something new.
Maybe we can do both.
That sounds like a good idea.
We need to buy some vegetables.
Yes, we should go grocery shopping.
Yes, we can go in the afternoon.
That works for me. What do you want to cook tomorrow?
I am thinking about soup.
Soup is easy and warm. It is perfect for dinner.
Okay, soup it is then.
Tomorrow's dinner is planned.
That makes things easy.
Yes, very easy.
Alex, I think we used some new food words today.
Yes, you are right. And we should explain them.
Let's start with the word order.
When we say order, it means we ask a restaurant for food.
Yes, for example, we order pizza using a phone or an app.
The next word is delivery, which means food comes to our home.
So, delivery is when someone brings the food to your door.
Now let's explain the word stove.
A stove is something we use in the kitchen to cook food.
Yes, we cook rice or chicken on the stove.
The next word is full.
When we say I am full, it means I am not hungry anymore.
Yes, we usually feel full after eating dinner.
Now let's talk about leftovers.
Leftovers are food we save after we finish eating.
We usually keep leftovers in the fridge.
The last word is arrived.
When we say the food has arrived, it means the food has come.
For example, the delivery food arrived at our house.
I hope these words are clear and easy now.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps me create more helpful videos for you.